Google Maps is an absolute gift because I never would have found this spot otherwise. Absolutely beautiful. I'm right here on the edge of LOUGH REE, a slap bang in the middle of the country. I'm up this direction with work and decided, sure, why not take the van and make a few nights of it. So that's what I did. I'm just going to chill out here for a night, cook some food, maybe take a swim, enjoy a few beers and chill out, relaxing by the side of the lake. Cheers guys, thanks for coming along with me. Pretty much have the place to myself. There's a family over the other side of the lake, they're just messing about in the water. Besides them, not a sound. I'm going to do a little bit of a stir fry later, so I'm just going to put the rice on now. I got some veg here I left in the fridge at home. Got a bit of courgette, spring onion, bell pepper, some baby broccoli. I've also got some pork belly strips. I'm going to marinate those now in a minute. Just going to chop all those and get them ready for the stir fry. I just made a quick marinade for the pork there. There's some salt, pepper, paprika, crushed coriander seeds, a few fennel seeds. I'll leave a recipe in the description for it. This wild peppermint seems to be growing all over the place here, so I'm going to pick some of those leaves and throw that in the stir fry as well. The dreaded moment you pull out your Dutch oven, you never cleaned it after the last time, which was quite some time ago. Not good. Down at the water's edge there with the sun shining on me, just made me realise I have to get in that water. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let's do it. Hopping in that water was definitely one of my better decisions. It was absolutely gorgeous. I've just put some water in the Dutch oven there over the fire. I just want to give it a quick boil out just after it being washed and whatnot. So yeah, we get the food on the go shortly. There you go. That oven is nice and hot now. Just going to add my pork. I'm just going to add all the rest of the veg there. I'm going to hold off on the garlic for a little bit. Everything else is going in now. Pop the garlic in there. And I'm going to add the rice now as well. Put a bit of lime on that. And a little bit of hot sauce. Ooh.